I heard good things, and I'm excited. I do love me some NMIXX. Be sure to leave your comments in the comment section down below. Be sure to leave your bias. Who's your bias in NMIXX? What's your favorite song? All right. Well, without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Ooh. Whoa. Woo. That's my shit. This is my shit right here. I like the way that this look like. Why did it look like a set of a Men in Black like movie set? But hold up, from the beginning. This is supposed to be like a lotus, right? Woo. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh, I love the ad-libs. Yeah. Oh, wait, Incheon? Oh, shoot. So much stuff. Let me show you that woo! I like that. That's the show you that know about me. Ooh! Yeah. Let me show you that. Ooh! Oh, whoa, that's a crazy shot. Ooh. This whole thing is so aesthetically pleasing. Oh, right outside. Right outside. Hey, Lily. Woo! What the hell? What is happening? What was that? An ice with the egg yolk? Oh, this is a vibe, y'all. Oh, is that like memory foam? What is that? I think I've seen a clip of this. Yeah. Ooh. Know about me. Ooh. Know about me. Oh, the way they say it, know about me in like unison, and it just sounds so like sexy and shit. Oh my god. Well, what the hell? Bro, what is this? I feel like NMIXX always had that production down too in music videos. I mean, it's JYP, right? Is that it? Ah, oh, that shit crazy. Interstellar shit? Wow. Wait, but like in the beginning, it shows her like in like some interdimension or like space, right? I like how it starts too. Wait, that's a pudding according to Haewon? Ah, so it wasn't like ice. That feel good. That feel good. That's a vibe. We just grooving in this one right here. From the beginning. I mean, they turned up, but it wasn't something crazy either. Let me see where they like turned it up. I think it's right here, right? It got a little bit more aggressive with the rap. It's that build up right here. Fire, fire. On repeat. Gonna be added to the playlist. That's all I need to know. That's all you need to know.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of XO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now.